Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. How are you? I hope you will be fine, inshallah. Today we start our topic asset and base. Page number 124, topic 5.2. This is about assets and bases. And this we one by one we finish also asset and also base. And today two at the same time we revise and comparison these two. Okay, first of all, what is asset? Acids are the things that produce hydrogen ion in the solution, and they conduct electricity, and they turn blue litmus to red, and the taste of acids are sour, and they are acids, crude metals. Okay, these are some definition of acids. And then bases. Bases are anything or a substance that turn red litmus to blue. And taste of bases are bitter, and it has negatively charged hydroxide ions when it dissolve in the solution. Okay, what bases produce in the solution? They produce hydroxide ion and they are negatively charged, and we when you touch it, it feel slippery. You can slip on this. For example, this is most hand wash, this is soaps and drain cleaners. We clean our toilets with the bases. And here strong bases are caustic, this caustic soda that we use in our daily life. Okay, next is pH. According to pH, what is acid, what is base? Okay, when we differentiate the substance according to the pH value, then any substance that has pH value less than 7, that is acid, and any substance that has value higher than 7, that is base. Okay, base is any substance that has a pH value greater than 7, and 7 is the neutral. Okay, now how we say this is acid, this is base? For example, sometimes we say this is acidic rain. How we know it is acidic? You know, we take the water of rain and then we check with the meter what is the acidity of that water. If the acidity of that water is less than 7, we say it is acidic rain. Okay, and this is pH scale. It is a scale that shows the substance whether it is acidic or basic. Now here some comparison. Number one, we discuss acid, then bases. Number one, acids conduct electricity. It change uh, the litmus paper to red, blue litmus paper to red, and it has sour taste. It react with bases to neutralize, and it when it is mix or react with the base, it produce salt and water. And then when it react with metal to liberate hydrogen. And now here some property of bases when they dissolve in water. Number one, it conducts electricity also, and change red litmus to blue, and they feel slippery feelings, react with acid to neutralize their property. Okay, these are some basic difference, and these are some basic definitions of acid and base. Okay, if you revise today our topic about this. Okay boys, see you later inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.